The coastal issues that decision makers have to work on are hard. There are a lot of problems, and it takes a long time to really both articulate, find, design, and implement solutions.
The training and engagement program offered by the Waquoit Bay Reserve and supported by NOAA and DCR.
It fills a really important gap between scientists and decision makers.
How do you actually bring these things together, and can you demonstrate that to folks?
It takes relevant, actionable science and delivers it to those decision makers so that they can use it and be confident in advancing whatever their goal is.
What we really need are partnerships that are working towards meeting goals together.
Partnerships, it's huge for the tribe. We do bring a lot of our own knowledge to the work that we do, and it's historical knowledge.
And as Jason said, really combining that with the traditional ecological knowledge is going to give you a whole balanced solution to these problems that we're facing.
We're trying to build trust with communities and tackle really big problems on the Cape, like coastal flooding, loss of native species, water quality problems. So having these tools that are dedicated to just that is huge for our projects on Cape and their success.
The training that's offered from Webner helps us make the decisions to help keep the Cape as wonderful and diverse as it is. It's kind of a one-stop shop for all things ecological.
We really need not just what's happening right now, but to get a feel for what's coming in the future.
It really helps us understand what challenges municipalities are facing so we can get ahead of those and work with the communities to develop solutions.
If we didn't have the resources from the Waquoit Bay Reserve that's mostly geared towards implementation or engineering design, then you're missing that really critical piece, and that's a gap that doesn't get filled in any other way.
Do we have any takers for questions? We have a few minutes. We're asking them what their needs are so that we're not just designing something for them that we think that they want, but we are engaging them in the process of understanding what their information needs are and what their barriers are to making decisions and applying it in a real world setting. So that's how we ensure that we're continuing to meet that gap through collaboration, through engagement, through understanding our audience and understanding their needs.